Hi, I'm Dr. James Carter, your gastroenterologist. Feeling bloated or tired? Your gut health might be the key.
In this video, I'll show you how to transform your gut in just 7 days with simple, science-backed tips. Let's get started.
This journey to transform gut health kicks off with a game changer, understanding why your gut is your body's unsung hero. Picture your gut as a bustling city home to trillions of gut bacteria that shape your digestion, immune system, and even your mood. Science backs this up. 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, and a balanced microbiome can fend off bloating, fatigue, and mental fog. When it's out of whack, you might feel like you're dragging through life, stuck in a haze. By prioritizing gut health, you're setting the stage for a vibrant, energized you, ready to tackle whatever comes next. The gut-brain axis is where things get really wild. Your gut talks to your brain, influencing how you feel every single day. Studies show a healthy microbiome can dial down anxiety and boost mental health, making you feel sharper and more grounded. Imagine waking up without that heavy, sluggish feeling just because you gave your gut some love. It's not just about digestion, it's about unlocking a happier, more focused version of yourself. For example, swapping out sugary snacks for prebiotic foods like bananas or oats can start shifting your gut bacteria in days, setting you up for a clearer mind and a lighter body. But here's the kicker. Neglecting gut health can sneakily sabotage your entire wellness game. Poor gut bacteria balance can lead to bloating relief issues and even weaken your immune system, leaving you vulnerable to every bug going around. The good news? You don't need fancy supplements or complicated diets to turn it around. Simple, sustainable health tweaks like adding fiber-rich foods and staying hydrated can spark massive changes. Curious about how to make this happen? It all starts with a few smart, delicious choices that your gut will thank you for. Day 1. Kickstart with prebiotic-rich breakfast and gentle movement. All right, let's dive into day 1 of this 7-day challenge to supercharge your gut health. Starting with the breakfast that's like a warm hug for your microbiome. Prebiotic foods are the secret sauce here, acting like fertilizer for your gut bacteria. Picture a bowl of overnight oats. Mix half a cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup almond milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a sliced banana, and a handful of blueberries. Then let it chill overnight. Top it with a drizzle of honey and some crushed walnuts. And you've got a fiber-rich diet meal that studies show can boost beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria in just days. This isn't just food, it's fuel for a happier, less bloated you. To keep the momentum going, day 1 pairs that tasty breakfast with a simple 15-minute morning walk. Nothing fancy, just enough to get your body moving and your digestion humming. Exercise for digestion doesn't have to be intense. A brisk stroll around your neighborhood or local park stimulates gut motility, helping those prebiotics work their magic. Imagine feeling lighter with less bloating relief needed just because you took a quick walk while listening to your favorite podcast, like The Happiness Lab by Dr. Laurie Santos. It's a small step that sets the tone for a healthy lifestyle. Your gut's already starting to perk up, isn't it? Here's where it gets exciting. These small choices are building blocks for sustainable health. Prebiotic foods like oats and bananas don't just feed good gut bacteria, they lay the groundwork for better nutrient absorption, which means more energy for your day. Combine that with the walk and you're telling your body it's time to thrive. No need for a gym membership or a complicated nutrition plan. Just grab those oats and step outside. Wondering how to level up from here? Day 2's got something even tastier in store. Day 2. Introduce probiotics with a savory lunch and core exercises. Day 2 of the 7-day challenge is all about welcoming probiotics into your gut health journey. Think of them as friendly new neighbors moving into your microbiome's bustling city. A savory lunch sets the stage. Whip up a Greek yogurt bowl with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Make sure it's got live cultures. A 1/4 cup diced cucumber, a tablespoon of fresh dill, a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds, and a slice of whole grain toast on the side. This meal is a probiotic powerhouse, delivering lactobacilli that studies show balances gut bacteria and eases digestion woes. It's like giving your gut a high five, leaving you with less bloating and more pep in your step. Now, let's get moving to keep that gut humming. A 10-minute core-focused yoga session with poses like cat-cow and seated spinal twist is perfect for day 2. These moves gently massage your digestive organs, boosting exercise for digestion and helping with bloating relief. You can follow along with the free YouTube video like Yoga with Adrienne's Yoga for Digestion to make it easy. Picture yourself flowing through these poses in your living room, feeling lighter with every twist. It's not just about your gut, it's about sparking that gut-brain axis for better mental health too. Here's the deal. Combining probiotics with a bit of movement is like hitting the reset button on your gut health diet. That yogurt bowl fuels your good bacteria, while yoga keeps things moving smoothly, reducing that sluggish, heavy feeling. It's a simple nutrition plan that anyone can stick to, no fancy kitchen skills required. Plus, you're already building a healthy lifestyle that's sustainable for Wellness 2025 and beyond. Ready to see what day 3 has in store? It's time to shake things up with some serious flavor. Day 3, cut sugar with a nutrient-dense dinner and stretching. On day 3 of this 7-day challenge, it's time to give those pesky gut bacteria that thrive on sugar the boot and embrace a dinner that's all about nourishing your microbiome. Picture a plate of grilled salmon, rich in omega-3s, paired with roasted asparagus and a quinoa salad tossed with diced tomatoes, fresh parsley, and a zesty lemon olive oil dressing. Harvard Health studies show that cutting sugar helps balance gut bacteria, while omega-3s dial down inflammation, making this meal a cornerstone of any gut health diet. It's not just dinner, it's a step towards sustainable health, leaving you feeling light and energized. Whip up this healthy recipe tonight, and your gut will be singing your praises. To complement this nutrient-packed meal, day 3 calls for a 10-minute stretching routine to keep digestion flowing smoothly. Try poses like child's pose and forward fold, perfect for relaxing your body and easing stress, which can mess with your gut-brain axis. You can follow a quick guided session on apps like Down Dog or even a YouTube video like 10-minute stretch for beginners. These stretches are a game changer for bloating relief, helping your gut stay calm and efficient. Imagine winding down your evening with these gentle moves, feeling your body loosen up and your mind clear. Here's the beauty of it. Ditching sugar and adding exercise for digestion isn't just a quick fix, it's a foundation for a healthy lifestyle. This fiber-rich dinner fuels your body with the good stuff, while stretching keeps stress at bay, supporting mental health and digestion. No need for processed snacks when you've got a meal this satisfying. It's so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Curious about how to keep the momentum going? Day 4's got a refreshing twist that'll make your gut happier than ever. Day 4, hydrate and add fermented foods with a light lunch and cardio. Day 4 of this 7-day challenge is where hydration and fermented foods team up to give your gut health a serious boost. Start by sipping 8 to 10 glasses of water, jazzed up with cucumber, lemon, and mint slices for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Then, for lunch, dive into a kimchi quinoa bowl. Mix 1 cup cooked quinoa, a 1/4 cup store-bought kimchi, a handful of sautéed spinach, a sliced boiled egg, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Studies show kimchi's probiotics supercharge microbiome diversity, making this healthy recipe a must for digestion and bloating relief. It's like a party for your gut bacteria, and you're invited to feel the difference. To keep things moving, day 4 calls for a 20-minute brisk walk or light jog, perfect for sparking exercise for digestion. Pop in your earbuds, cue up a playlist like Spotify's Motivation Mix, and hit your local park or treadmill. This cardio boost ramps up gut motility and circulation, helping nutrients from that fiber-rich diet reach your gut more effectively. Picture yourself striding along, feeling lighter with every step, knowing you're supporting your immune system and overall wellness 2025 goals. It's a simple way to make your gut health diet hum. Here's the magic. Pairing hydration with fermented foods and a bit of cardio is like giving your microbiome a VIP upgrade. Water keeps fiber moving smoothly, while kimchi packs a probiotic punch, and movement ties it all together for sustainable health. This nutrition plan is so easy, you can whip up that bowl in minutes and walk right out your door. Your body's already thanking you for these small, powerful changes. Ready to see what day 5 has in store? It's about to get colorful and even more delicious. Day 5, boost fiber diversity with a colorful dinner and yoga flow. Day 5 of this 7-day challenge is all about turning your gut health diet into a vibrant, fiber-packed feast that your microbiome will absolutely love. Picture a roasted vegetable Buddha bowl for dinner. Toss sweet potatoes, zucchini, and red onions in olive oil. Roast until golden. Then pile them over 1 cup of cooked farro. Drizzle with the tahini lemon dressing and sprinkle with arugula. This fiber-rich diet masterpiece delivers a variety of prebiotic foods that studies show strengthen gut bacteria diversity, paving the way for better digestion and bloating relief. It's like a rainbow on your plate, making healthy eating feel like a treat you'll crave every night. To keep your gut humming, Day 5 pairs this meal with a 15-minute yoga flow featuring poses like downward dog and triangle pose, perfect for exercise for digestion. You can follow along with a free video like Yoga for Gut Health on YouTube's Yoga with Adriene channel, flowing right in your living room. These moves not only boost gut motility, but also dial down stress, supporting the gut-brain axis and mental health. Imagine stretching into triangle pose, feeling your body relax and your mind clear, all while giving your gut a gentle massage. It's Wellness 2025, made simple and soothing. Here's the real deal. Diverse prebiotic foods and yoga are a powerhouse combo for sustainable health. That Buddha bowl fuels your gut bacteria with variety, while yoga keeps stress from messing with your digestion. This nutrition plan is so doable. Just roast some veggies and flow through a few poses, and it sets you up for a healthier, happier you. Your gut's already feeling the love, isn't it? Day 6 is about to crank things up with a breakfast that'll make your mornings sing. Day 6. Combine probiotics and prebiotics with a smoothie breakfast and strength training. Day 6 of this 7-day challenge is where things get exciting, blending probiotics and prebiotics for a gut health boost that's like a power-up for your microbiome. For breakfast, whip up a smoothie that's as tasty as it is effective. Blend 1 cup of kefir, half a banana, 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, and a handful of spinach. This healthy recipe combines kefir's probiotics with the prebiotic foods in flaxseed and spinach, creating a perfect storm for gut bacteria. As studies show, this combo enhances digestion and supports the immune system. It's like a morning milkshake that leaves you energized and ready to conquer the day. To keep the gut health diet momentum going, Day 6 pairs this smoothie with a 15-minute body weight strength workout. Think planks, squats, and lunges. You can follow a quick routine like the 15-minute full body workout on the Fitness Blender YouTube channel. No gym required. This exercise for digestion boosts circulation, helping nutrients reach your gut while strengthening the gut-brain axis for better mental health. Picture yourself powering through a plank, feeling stronger and less bloated with every rep. It's a simple way to make your nutrition plan work even harder for Wellness 2025. Here's why this rocks. Combining probiotics, prebiotics, and strength training is like giving your gut a first-class ticket to sustainable health. That smoothie fuels your gut bacteria, while the workout keeps everything moving smoothly, reducing the need for bloating relief. It's so easy. Just blend, sip, and move, and it fits right into your healthy lifestyle. Your gut's practically throwing a party by now, right? Day 7's about to wrap this up with a plan to keep the good vibes going. Day 7. Reflect and sustain with a balanced lunch and mindful walk. Day 7 of this 7-day challenge wraps things up with a lunch that's a perfect blend of probiotics and fiber-rich diet elements to keep your gut health on track. Try a grilled chicken breast alongside a side of sauerkraut, tossed into a mixed green salad with avocado slices, cherry tomatoes, and a light balsamic vinaigrette. This healthy recipe reinforces gut bacteria with sauerkraut's fermented foods punch, while the greens boost prebiotics for ongoing digestion support. It's like sealing in all the wins from the week, helping with bloating relief and steady energy. Whip this up in under 20 minutes, and you'll see how sustainable health feels effortless. Your microbiome is thriving now, ready for what's next in your Wellness 2025 journey. To lock in those gains, Day 7 includes a 20-minute mindful walk in nature, a gentle exercise for digestion that ties into your healthy lifestyle. Focus on deep breaths as you stroll through a park or trail, letting the fresh air calm your gut-brain axis and ease any lingering stress that could impact mental health. Grab a journal during your walk, like a simple notebook app on your phone, such as Day 1, to note how your immune system feels stronger or your energy's up. It's a quiet moment to celebrate, turning this nutrition plan into a habit that sticks. Isn't it amazing how a walk can make everything click? Here's the key. Reflecting on your progress turns this into more than a quick fix. It's the start of a lifelong gut health diet. Jot down notes on reduced bloating or sharper focus and plan to keep adding fermented foods or a daily walk to your routine. This builds a foundation for sustainable health, where gut bacteria flourish and your body hums with vitality. No big overhauls needed, just small tweaks that fit your life. Excited to tie it all together? There's more wisdom coming to keep you inspired. This 7-day challenge has laid out a roadmap to transform your gut health, delivering benefits that ripple through your entire life. Smoother digestion, boosted energy, a stronger immune system, sharper mental health, and sweet bloating relief. All thanks to prebiotic foods, fermented foods, and exercise for digestion. By embracing this gut health diet, you're not just tackling short-term discomfort, you're building a healthy lifestyle that sets you up for long-term wellness. Why let fatigue or brain fog hold you back when simple healthy recipes and a mindful walk can change the game? Drop a comment. Which tip are you starting with, and how will you keep this nutrition plan going? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to keep leveling up your sustainable health journey.
Did you enjoy the video? Subscribe to our channel, Health and Wellness for All, for more tips and information. See you soon.